Alright, we got a 2013 Subaru Crosstrek. I'm gonna replace the front passenger side CV axle, which is right there. Here's the new one right here. I'm gonna go through the steps really quick, show you guys what you need to do. First, you need to jack it up with your jack stands. Once you do that, you're gonna need a 32mm socket for the axle nut. Before you do that, you need to put this flat screwdriver right here, and you need to hammer it down just to kind of open up that notch a little bit. Then you can either use your torque bar, or this is what I use, my trusted DeWalt. Remove that. Then you're gonna need to make sure this slides in and out so it's not stuck in the hub. This one is already loose. Then once you do that, you're gonna need to put a mark right here. You see, I already marked it so we don't mess up the alignment. Only the top one, you don't have to do the bottom one. Then I went ahead and took this tab off and released that. And then if you look here, this is your sensor. This is a 10mm bolt. Twist it left to right and it should pop right up. I'm gonna put this bolt back so we don't lose it. Then you got your brake line. Take this off so you got more room when the spindle goes all the way down. Alright, once you have that taken care of, you're gonna release the two nuts right here, which is, yeah, these two one right here, 1 and 2. Place the camera down so we can start on it. Get a better light right here for you guys. All right. Now you can push it in and out, and you can slowly tap this out like that. Careful not to lose your washer also, which goes on the other side right here. Okay, so we have that out. Make sure you don't let it free fall like that. This is kind of heavy. And then you can push the end of the axle right here. That should free up your axle. Now we can start removing it from the transmission. See if I can pull the camera here. So we're gonna go underneath and pry it out underneath. Also, it's a good idea to have a bucket because you might have some transmission fluid leak out. Let's see if I can get the light right here. There we go. So we're just gonna pry it out. Get a better angle here. So we're just gonna pry the axle out from the transmission. Sorry about that. Straighten the axle so we can get a better You know what, I'm gonna try to put the camera down so you guys can, so I can use both of my hands. I'm gonna try this one first. Oh, there we go. See that right there? Once you do that, it should slide right out. Let's see if we have any transmission fluid leak out. Got a little bit leaking out. Right there. Okay, now we can go back to the other side. Put the camera down. You see right there. Okay, now we can just slide it out. That's it. That's how you remove your axle on a I don't even know what year this is, 2012, 2013 Subaru Crosstrek. I'm gonna go ahead and put the new one in. So the new one comes with a new axle nut. It's always a good idea to compare the new one to the old one, just in case they give you the wrong part. Let's see, this one looks like it's the same all the way till the end. Yep. Now to put the new one in, you see that hole right there? So you're gonna wanna, it has to click in there or slide in there, or I guess pop in there, which is on this side. So you're gonna wanna slightly push it. Be patient with it, don't get frustrated if it's not going in. Let's see if we can do it first try. Sorry if I'm blocking the camera. There we go. There's that pop that I was talking about. So that's all the way inside. Let's see. Yeah, once you do that, everything is pretty much reverse order. Put the axle back in the hub. Put this spindle right here on the strut. And don't forget to put the nut back. You see that line right here? To align it like this so you don't mess up your alignment. Put everything back together. Put your sensors back, your brake line back. Put your new axle nut back. That's pretty much it. Should be the same procedure on the driver's side. If you guys like my videos, please subscribe. If you got any questions, comment below. Click like on the video. Yep, that's it. Thanks for watching.